Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create and conduct a quiz for students. Generally, a quiz can be used as a pre-test to qualify the student for a course. Quiz reports can help the instructors to identify the gap in the course content. Come, let us see in my Moodle page how to create and conduct a Moodle quiz. So this is my Moodle page. In that Moodle page, I have created a course named Principles of Safety Management. In that Principles of Safety Management, already I have created 5 units. In that 5 units, I am going to create and conduct a quiz under Unit 5. First of all, I have to click this settings button and turn edit on. Then only I am able to edit or add an activity under a unit. Now it is visible that I am not able to edit anything. After selecting this turn editing option, then only a pencil mark will be appears near every menu. Then only I am able to add an activity or resource. Now I am going to unit 5. In that unit 5, I am going to add an activity or a resource. So select this. Now a pop-up menu will appear. In that, first of all, activities will come. Then next, I am able to add resources. Today we are going to see quiz, so it comes under activities. I am going to select quiz, then I have to give add option. I am clicking add, then a new window will open. In this window, if any doubt means kindly see this page. This is the path of my course. First I am going to dashboard, then under course, in that unit 5, under unit 5 I am going to create a new quiz. In this, so many settings are there. These are all the settings under a new quiz: general, timing, grade, layout, question behavior. So these are all the settings which you can personalize as per your preferences. First of all, I am going to set the general option. In general, I am going to specify the name of the quiz. In this place, I have to give the name of the quiz. For example, I am going to give general knowledge as my quiz name. In this place, I have to mention the description of the quiz. This quiz will contains 25 marks with 25 questions. Then select display description on course page. If I enable this, means the students can see this description while attempting the quiz. Next, I have to set the timing option. In timing option, the time of the quiz, open time and the closing time of the quiz can be set by us. I have to enable this option, otherwise I am not able to edit these timings. So first enable this starting time and enable this closing time. If I am going to conduct a quiz, a open quiz, not an end time, means just enable this option. It is a open quiz, anytime student can attend. But if I enable this option, means student can open this quiz and have to end this quiz between this mentioned time. Here I can change my date and time as per my requirements. Next, time limit. So time limit means I can able to specify a mention time to write the quiz. First I have to enable this, then I have to mention the time of a quiz, 30 minutes. So students can able to attend the quiz in a time limit of 30 minutes. They can attend in the between this duration, but their time limit should be only 30 minutes. No time limit means I am enabling this option. Then when time expires, this option we can choose in the drop down menu. Here you choose how you want your students to submit their quiz. If you want to be more strict, then select this option that they have to submit the quiz before the time expires. These are all the options. If I select open attempt or submitted automatically means the quiz after the quiz time ends, it will be submitted automatically. Then it will be considered as its grade. If I am going to give, this is a grace period means I can give the grace period for the attempt of quiz. Next, third option, attempt must be submitted before the time expires or they are not counted. If I select this option means manually a student should give submit after completing his quiz. Otherwise the quiz will not consider his grade. It will be automatically disqualified. Next, submission grace period. Here I am also able to specify the grace period after the end time of the quiz. It will not be able to specify if the option is like here. If I change this option to grace period when open attempts, then only this option will be enabled. Then I am able to change these days. So if a submission of grace period granted us 2 days by the administrator, then students can able to attempt their quiz after this closing time of the quiz. So now I am enabling this because this is not recommended for the students. They have to attend the exam between the opening to closing time. Next settings, grade. In grade category, we have to specify uncategorized. Next, grade to pass. Here I have to specify the passing category of a student. For example, I have to mention how much mark I need to get to pass in a quiz. 40 or other requirements as per our need. So I am specifying 50%. So below 50% means automatically the student will fail in the quiz. Then attempts allowed. In default, student can attempt the quiz for unlimited times. So we have to set the attempt allowed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So many times I am able to attend the quiz. If I set the attempt allowed for 2 means a student can attempt the quiz for only 2 times only. Unlimited means he can answer unlimited times before the duration. Next, grading method. Grading method means a student, for example, if a student I am going to set attempt allowed as a 3 times. So student can able to attend a quiz for 3 times. Now grading method. For example, if a student attempt an quiz for the first time, he scored 10 marks out of 50. The next second time he is going to attempt. In that second time he will take 30 out of 50. So now he is improving his marks. He tries the next third time for attempting quiz. In the third time if he scored more than 45 marks. So we allowed the student for attempting the quiz 3 times. First time he is scoring 10 marks. Second time he scored 20 marks. Third time he scored 45 marks. Then what will be the grade of that student? That grading method should be defined as here. If in this option I can choose highest grade, average, first and last. If I choose first attempt means then his first score as 10 mark will be graded for his quiz. If I select last attempt means that last attempt 45 mark will be calculated as his grade. If I select highest grade means above this, in among these 3 marks what will be the highest grade, automatically it will be graded. So I can choose this grade. If the attempt allowed is changed to 1 means I cannot able to select the grading method. That first time mark itself automatically calculated as his grade. Then next, layout option. In layout, so we can check the questions in a page. In default, it is every question. It shows that in a page, a single question will be displayed for the student. We have changed the options. For example, this is 5 questions, 6 questions, 7. If for example, if I set every 10 question means in a single page 10 question will be displayed for the student. If I set a quiz for 20 question means 2 page will be shown for the student. Now I am going to select 5 questions for the student. The next, question behavior. So we can shuffle the questions for the students. If a 2 students going to attend the quiz means first student question will not be repeated to the next student. We can shuffle the questions. For example, if I give 30 questions as a quiz, that 30 question will not be in order for the second student. That order will be changed if I specify this shuffle with question option as yes. If I set no means both the students will attend the same order in same question. Next, how question behavior. Here I am able to specify the feedback of the answer for the student. If I specify immediate feedback, then the student will receive immediately the feedback of the attempted question. So these are all the options and settings I have changed for the creating quizzes. You can also check these options and settings in your own. Now at last I am going to select save and return to the course. Save and return to the course means if I select this, it will save these settings and it will return to my main page. If I am going to conduct quiz means I have to select save and display. I am selecting save and display. So here some error is given. Grade 2 pass. I am changing the grade to pass. I am going to change this option automatically. Then I am going to give save and display. After selecting the save and display, this page will appear. In this general knowledge, this was my quiz name. Below this quiz description. This quiz will contain 25 marks with 25 questions. I have give attempt for one time only for the students. This will be the time limit for the students. So here no questions have been added yet. Hereafter only I am going to add the quiz questions. So edit quiz. This edit quiz is used to add the questions for our quiz. In next video we are going to see how to add a different type of questions for our quiz. Thank you.